Guys, my name is Ishan Sani. I bought a cam 3 weeks ago and I'm quite happy with the performance. Sony Camcorder does a very good job and is very useful for capturing amazing videos and photos. Design: keeping in mind the classic Sony Camcorder style, this Handycam is black with a few patches of grey. The premium grade finish gives it a classy feel. The camcorder has a fixed 26.8mm wide angle Zeiss lens. You can use the 30x optical 60x clear image zoom feature to shoot the scene without getting too close to the action. It also features an optical steady shot image stabilization with active mode for smooth and steady panning or moving shots. The 1920 by 1080 Full HD 60p W 9.2MP XMOD RCMOS sensor helps in grabbing amazing footage. The low light sensitivity with reduced grain feature work wonders for shoots even in low light settings. The camcorder also has a built-in USB 2.0 which supports easy file sharing. Face detection with voice enhancement and noise reduction are further highlights of this wonderful product. The premium grade finish gives it a classy feel. The camcorder has a fixed 26.8mm wide-angle Zeiss lens.